When it comes to making videos for YouTube, there are some things that we always talk about, like the quality of the video, the camera you should use, and which lot you should like put on the video, adjustment layers, bunch of stuff that has to do with video. But there's one thing that is also important when it comes to making YouTube videos, and that is the audio. So today I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to record better audio for your YouTube videos. And just a heads up, this video is all about hardware, so I'm not gonna talk about like software or how you can fix your audio in post. I'm just gonna talk about things you can use to record better audio for your YouTube videos. Tip number 1 is to use a shotgun mic. The good thing about shotgun microphone is that they pick up audio coming from the front. So when you're vlogging, you're talking to the camera, it picks up your voice coming to the camera. You can also use a shotgun microphone inside. A lot of YouTubers use like an NTG microphone from Rode, and they'll hook it up like right out of frame, above here or down here or to the side. It has to be as close to your mouth as possible to get the best audio quality. Tip number 2 is to use something like the Rode Wireless Go or a lav mic. I have made a video about the Rode Wireless Go in the past, so if you want to see it, I'm gonna link it up right up here. Go check that out. The good thing about a Rode Wireless Go and a lav mic is that you can have like a great distance between you and the camera and still record good audio. A downside from using the Rode Wireless Go is that it is clunky and it is very visible, so you will have to hook up like a lav mic to it if you don't want it to be visible, or you're gonna have to hook it up inside your clothes or whatever, and there is a possibility that your shirt or anything is gonna rub against it and distort the audio. Before we go to the next tip, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel and you're getting value out of this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This channel is all about filmmaking, photography, vlogging, and gear review. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe for more content. Okay, let's get back to the video. Tip number 3 is to use a dynamic microphone like this pod mic that I'm using right now. Dynamic microphones are good to use in a room where there's a lot of reverb or echo, like we say. You don't have the possibility to hook up acoustic panels to the ceiling or to the wall. A dynamic microphone might be a good option. There are like 2 downsides to having a dynamic microphone depending on how you look at it. One downside is that you cannot just buy a dynamic microphone and you're done. You gotta have an audio recorder to record your audio in, and that audio recorder should have phantom power because you have to power the microphone. Or you can buy an audio interface to record your audio straight into your laptop or your computer, whatever you're using. The second downside is that you have to talk very close to the microphone to get the best audio quality. So you don't have a lot of room to, move. If I move back, you will notice that the audio level is like lower than when I was talking right here. If I move to this side, the audio level is also low, so I have to be right here to get the best audio quality. Tip number 4 is to use an audio recorder like the Zoom H-Friend Pro. The good thing about the Zoom H-Friend Pro is that it comes with its own microphone, so you can mount it to your camera, use it as a shotgun mic, or you can hold it and use it as a microphone to record your videos or record interviews with it. Another good thing about the Zoom H-Friend Pro is that you can monitor your audio levels. You can see if the audio is being recorded right, make sure your audio is not clipping. There's also a headphone jack so you can hear your audio, make sure everything is good. So that is very good about something like the Zoom H-Friend Pro. The downside of this device is that it's big and bulky, so it might not look professional in your videos. And tip number 5, the last tip, is to use your own phone. The good thing about this is, besides the microphone, you don't have to invest in any other hardware or software or special app for your phone. You just have to use the voice memo or voice app that comes with your phone to record the audio. After you're done recording the audio, you're gonna have to send it to your computer to sync the audio with the audio from your camera. If you're an iPhone user, you can just use AirDrop. And that is basically the only downside from using something like the SmartLav Plus and your phone to record your audio. And those are the 5 tips or hardware you can use to record better audio for your YouTube videos. If you had value from this video, make sure you leave a like or a comment down below. Let me know which one of these tips you're gonna use to record better audio for your YouTube videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on the bell also. Follow me on my other social media. The links are in the description down here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.